raceshop.com. We're getting ready to go in a 1968 Pontiac Firebird, blown small block Chevy with a 400 turbo. So here she goes.
Kind of short.
Setup, 9-inch rear end, big back tire, pro street car. This is an everyday driver.
So easy to drive.
Oh, Taz is driving it, so it's easy to drive. Will be on the website, and we're going to do a walk around video. We're going to turn around here at Walmart. Like I say, this thing is street legal and ready to drive. Turn signals, brakes, everything. She's loving it.
One of my favorite cars on the lot.
We're asking $42,000 for this baby. Alright guys, we're going to close down the video. I'm going to head back. Oh, Taz says bye. Tater and Taz. Alright guys, doing a walk around on the car we just drove, the 1968 Firebird. Pro Street, big back tire, 9-inch, 4 link rear end. Not sure of the gears, but it will be in all the description. Old Taz just got through driving it. Runs and drives great. She's a whole 5 foot tall.
Okay, perfect. I just want to make sure I was coming in front of you.
It's an LS TBS supercharger. It held great oil pressure, stuck about 175, 180 degrees, so it ran perfect. Got the true, real deal center lines on the back. The old boy that was driving it last lived on a gravel road, so it's a little dusty in the back, but it will be cleaned up. There you go, guys. 1968 Firebird Supercharger. Check us out, raceshop.com. 573-693-7223.